Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable left swipe Google Newsfeed on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. Here you can get rid of left swipe Google Newsfeed. How do you do it? Watch this video till the end. Alright, the first step you have to do is long press any device home screen like this, and then here you can select settings. Well, after that some of your device home screen settings will appear here. Okay, and then to get rid of the left swipe Google Newsfeed, you can disable Add Media Page to Home Screen option. So now you can see that left swipe Google Newsfeed was successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove left swipe Google Newsfeed on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.